Did you know that at BODTReAsk.com, we now have a network of mechanics who will come to your home or to the place you indicate to carry out the installation of your battery? That's how it is. Changing your car battery is now easier. Today, you can change your vehicle battery without leaving home. Call our customer service phone now and we will go to your location. Let us take care of everything. We assure you that calling a mechanic or breakdown service will cost you much more than using our home battery installation service. Wherever you are, there is an expert to replace the battery of your car, motorcycle, truck, or van. You no longer have to worry about anything. Leave it in our hands. In few minutes, you will have your new battery installed and you will be able to continue with your activities. Speed up times and avoid hassles by calling us directly. Our home battery assembly service is now available in the following cities: Madrid, Barcelona, Malaga, Seville, Valencia, Zaragoza, and Pontevedra. Soon we will reach more locations. So now you know. All of us have lived the experience of having a failure in the battery of our car. Battery failure is one of the most frustrating moments for any driver. Finding yourself in this situation is irritating and inopportune, and although in general it may seem like an easy solution, the truth is that you will have to involve another vehicle to start it, and later transfer it to a workshop that can replace the batteries. At Baterias.com, we want to avoid that bad experience, so we advise you to call our customer service to tell us your situation and the type of battery you need. In this way, we will come to you at the moment to help you and that you do not have to worry about moving your vehicle. We will go to your home to change the battery on site quickly and efficiently. Save time and money and get a quality battery for your vehicle with BODTReAsk.com.